Hi, I'm Jimmy Hughes, Lead Engineer with Orbital Space Systems for ACT. Today I'm going to be talking about lunar night survival and the challenges that come with that. This is our little imaginary lander here, headed off to the moon, and it's already landed. In order to survive lunar night, it's very, very cold and a highly radiated environment. So you're losing a lot of heat throughout the night, and it's 14 Earth days long. So it's a long period and very cold. And if you've got a little instrument in here that you need to keep warm because it can't survive the low temperatures, there's two ways to approach it. You can either bring a bunch of power with you in order to heat it to combat those radiative losses, or you can insulate it really well. So putting it in a box, surrounding it with a bunch of multi-layer insulation, and helping hold that heat in. With this approach, where you insulate the instrument and help hold the heat in, that causes a problem when it's during daytime and you need to do all of your science. You need to be able to reject that heat during the day, but then keep that heat in at night to maintain that survival temperature. So ACT, we have a few different technologies to help you reject that heat during the day, but then hold the heat in at night. These are the three technologies here. Our biggest one is the loop heat pipe with a thermal control valve. During the day, the loop heat pipe can transfer a bunch of heat. Then at nighttime, the passive thermal control valve turns the conductance of the loop heat pipe off to help hold that heat in. The variable conductance heat pipe does a very similar purpose. So during the daytime, the heat pipe is heat piping away and carrying that heat out. But then at night, non-condensable gas blocks off either the evaporator or condenser to prevent that heat from leaving the warm box. And then our third and smallest option is a thermal switch. So this is a very small passive two-phase switch that is very great for small and tight spaces. The sizing of these, talking about power, a thermal switch is on the order of about 10 watts. Variable conductance heat pipes can be designed for around hundreds of watts. And the loop heat pipe with the thermal control valve is great for anything over around about 500 watts. So these are some of the different products that ACT has in our toolbox to help you survive lunar night.